These are 9 reasons to work with a landscape architect to design your home's landscape. Reason number 1, get a beautiful and buildable plan for your whole landscape. We take a systems approach to your landscape to make sure all the components work together so that form meets function for hardscape, planting, irrigation, lighting, grading, and drainage, walls, pergolas, decks, staircases, water features, and more. Reason number 2, save time, money, and resources. Spend your money once and wisely. Avoid expensive mistakes that result from not having a plan. Reason number 3, avoid regrets and conflicts by having a plan. Avoid the, "I wish we had thought about that" moment. During installation, you and your contractor can point to the plan to avoid any confusion. Reason number 4, set a realistic budget before you meet with landscape contractors. Do you know how much everything will cost to install? Don't rely on your best guess. Based on completed designs, your landscape architect can help you generate a realistic budget estimate before you reach out to contractors for bids. You'll have more confidence meeting with contractors and a way to check their bids. Reason number 5, get a phasing plan in case you don't want to or can't install it all at once. This will help you prioritize features in your landscape installation that will give you the most benefit and enjoyment right away. Spread your project expenses over time, ensure you install landscape components in the right sequence, and not piece it together haphazardly. Reason number 6, don't just imagine your landscape. See your landscape in 2D and 3D models before you install it. See all the features and details for your finished landscape in finished drawings and renderings. This helps you clarify the vision for your space. Reason number 7, it's cost effective. A landscape design will typically cost only 5 to 10% of your total landscape project budget. A question: if you had $100 to spend, would you throw away $100 blindly or spend $10 to get more value from the other $90? Reason number 8, it's easier and can be faster than you may think. Our design process happens around your schedule. If you are focused, make your decisions efficiently and on schedule. You can have a design in as little as 3 to 4 weeks, or you can take a little more time. We will move at your speed. Reason number 9, landscape contractors will love you. When you have landscape plans, contractors bid faster. Because you invested in professional designs, contractors know you're serious and they want to work with you. So there you have it. 9 reasons why you should work with a landscape architect. We hope this has been helpful. If you're a homeowner in the San Francisco Bay Area and would like an estimate for landscape design services, please visit us at www.planetscaper.com and submit our quick Request a Consultation form. We provide free, on-site 30-minute meetings and estimates at no charge. Not sure if you're ready to start a design process, early in your planning, and just want to review some ideas and get some advice? Schedule a 1-hour paid consultation. This service provides you with direct access to a licensed landscape architect, billed hourly for as much or as little time as you need. Go to www.planetscaper.com and scroll down to our Request a Paid Consultation form.